Boil the water. Bring out the frozen rice ball and put it into the pot immediately. Remember to put it at the random spot of the pot so that the rice ball doesn't stick to each other. Leave it to cook for about 2 minutes and remember to give it a stir to prevent the rice ball from sticking to the base of the pot and prevent it from sticking it to each other. Now leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. Get ready a pot of ice water by the side, and we are ready to transfer the rice ball to that. Once the rice balls are well cooked, it will float up to the surface of the water. Scoop it up gently and transfer it to the pot of cold water. Leave it to cool for about 30 seconds and we are ready to serve. This method of cooking is suitable for traditional rice balls as well. Repeat all the steps that we have gone through earlier and you will get a perfect cooked traditional rice balls. If you find the tips are useful, do give a like, share and subscribe to the channel.